Hey guys, it's JT with Silver Street Marketing, and I am here to show you a little bit about what our quick setup account looks like. That way you kind of know we're going to go through a little demo of what you're going to get if you were to sign up for that account and what it kind of comes with and the ideas behind it. So here we got up on the screen, you can see here we build out all these campaigns. If you do have a custom campaign that you want built as well, so let's say you want a post engagement campaign, or you want an emphasis on a reach campaign that's going to be going with your direct mail or your cold calling, we can build that out as well. That's included. So not a problem there. We just need to know upfront what custom campaigns you want to have. Inside of this is the standard campaign that we build, and this is what we build as if we were going to manage it. So this is really what we like to do. This is where we see a lot of the results come from. And so we build this so that we can just hand it over to you and you can let it run. And then whenever you need help optimizing it, you can always feel free to come back to us and we can schedule you for an optimization. But this is what we've got going. So you can see here, we're building out the lead generation campaign, the traffic campaign, the video views campaign, the conversions campaign, and the retargeting campaign. Now, this is right before we're going to publish. And the reason why we have it this way is it's just going to be kind of the blank template. We will publish it and we will customize each of the ads. So we're going to come in here and we'll kind of give you an idea and pop into this traffic campaign. We'll give you an idea of what these ad sets and these ads look like. So coming into the ad set level, we will customize the location that you're at. We'll customize the start date to when we think will works best for you, and we'll help schedule those out. Budget-wise, we do recommend, we have recommended limits as if we were to manage it, but we're willing to work with your budget and help you decide what's going to be best for your area. So we'll set the area to your particular area, we'll target it, and we'll also have this on automatic placements. So what we're doing is we are basically making this a little bit easier for you to be able to have all your ads going and you not have to worry about it. And the way that we do that is we come here, we'll show you kind of an ad so you get an idea, is we use dynamic ads. And those dynamic ads allow us to use multiple variations. So you don't actually have to go back and switch the ads as often. I'd still recommend looking at this every 60 to 90 days. You can add more variations to it, or you can take them away, and we'll help train you on that. Your first month does come with a free video that goes over the extensiveness of your personal account and how to add images or videos to it and what to do for it as you go along. But just kind of an idea, this is one of the ads, this is one of the variations. And when I say variations, basically what we're doing is we're having all these different possible text options, images, videos, and we're putting those all together. And we're saying, hey, Facebook, find the one that works best. That way you guys don't have to. So we're using the Facebook algorithm to help you. And then that way you don't have to make so many changes. And so when you see this, you're going to see, a first text option. And you're going to see here that we'll have your custom domain in there. And you'll be able to see it pop up in the display, and you'd be able to click through and it would go to your website. And so this is one of the options, and you can always see the different variations, but this is going to be not only multiple images and multiple texts that we'll be showing, but also in multiple feeds. So you'll be able to go to different placements. So on Facebook, what we're running on is we're doing the mobile Facebook campaign, the desktop, and on the desktop, you've got both the news feed, the marketplace, the sidebar, or a column. And we will also be doing the video stream ads, as well as we'll be on the audience network, which is a list of different websites that Facebook has purchased advertising space on or is affiliated with. So they'll be shown across the web and as well on Instagram, Messenger, and any other Facebook related apps. So It's going to be really awesome to be able to have your ads in so many different placements, and Facebook will automatically pick the placements that are getting the best results for you. And that way you don't have to worry about it. Now, you do have to go back and visit it every 60 to 90 days so you can analyze that data and then make your ads a little bit more scaled, put them more in position. But that's just one of the ways that we do this. And we do that same thing over here in your actual campaign. So with your campaign budgets, what we do is we say, hey, Facebook, we're going to um, have a campaign here. We've got the traffic campaign, or we can pick another campaign. Let's say, for example, let's look at the conversions campaign. So inside the conversions campaign, we have got multiple ad sets, and these multiple ad sets have multiple different targeting. So we're targeting some investors that have property that need to sell, that don't want to deal with their tenants. And we've got some video views lookalikes. So we actually help you create custom lookalikes. And if you have lists, we'll upload those lists and use them to find other people who are similar to those people on the list by creating a lookalike. And then we also have some seller interests that we've got uploaded in the account of people who are motivated sellers and are online by their web presence. That's how we're targeting them. So we've got some here, but we don't know which one's going to perform best, right? So why don't we let Facebook analyze that and do the talking by how many results we get? So what we did is we went over here and selected the campaign budget, and that allows us to be able to allow Facebook to make the best decisions for you. Now, you are want to, just like everything else, you're going to have to go back and look at this 60 to 90 days out. That way you can make changes based on the data that you're receiving, add new ad sets, try new things. So that is something that you'll have to be aware of. So we're making it as easy as possible so you don't have to do hardly any work for the first 60 to 90 days, until you hit your next time that you need to optimize the account or scale the account. But that's why we're here as well. Along with this plan, you also get the ability to schedule optimizations whenever you'd like. It's only $250 each time. Most people are going to wait a little while to actually do that. But we're open to helping you however we can. And when I say optimization, like an optimization meeting, basically we come in and make all the changes that we would make as if we were to manage it. So that way you kind of get a hybrid management plan. I mean, you get all the benefits of us being able to make all the decisions and be the experts that are helping you get these ads to work well. This is a great option for you if you're looking for a way to get started without a large management fee. Now, it would be ideal to have somebody with expert knowledge in there every day making changes, but we understand that not everybody can do that when they are first launching their Facebook ads. So this is kind of a hybrid to allow you to get that expert knowledge and get on the right track, and then be able to have us help you continue to see good results, without having to pay for a monthly management fee. Now, if you're looking for someone to be in your account every day and put a lot of significant effort into the management of the account, if you go look at our management plans, that might be a better fit for you. But if you're more so in the beginning or don't want to pay for a management fee every month, then this is a great option. And I've got clients who are closing deals from running this option themselves. And a lot of people like it because it makes it quite a bit easier to get your Facebook ads started because you don't have to do a thing. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd love to chat with you and be able to go over, a little bit more custom of what it would look like for you. But if not, we hope to see you around, and thanks for listening to this demo.